Before the playlists start and the wheels turn, there's one thing every great road trip needs: a solid car prep checklist. Today, I'm sharing 15 underrated pre-road trip car hacks that'll keep you rolling, problem-free, and focused on the fun ahead. Let's get into it. 1. Check your hood prop or struts. You don't want your hood slamming down mid-check. Make sure your hood prop stays firm or that your gas struts still hold. If they're weak, replace them before your trip. 2. Top off power inverter and USB ports. Check that your power inverter, USB chargers, or 12-volt outlets are functioning. They're crucial for phones, GPS, and emergency devices, especially on long stretches of empty road. 3. Clean and condition door seals. Dusty or squeaky door seals can crack over long trips. Use a rubber conditioner or silicone spray to protect them from drying out during long highway hours. 4. Sanitize and refill. Windshield washer nozzles. Don't just fill the fluid, spray and test the nozzles. If they're clogged or off aim, a safety saver becomes useless. 5. Inspect tailpipe for debris or nesting. If your car's been sitting for a while, check your exhaust tailpipe. Small critters or leaves love to crawl in, especially before a summer trip. 6. Secure your gas cap with a retainer strap. Lost gas caps are a common road trip fail. Add or replace the retaining strap so it's never left on a pump or dropped in the dirt. 7. Wipe down the engine bay for easy leak detection. Wipe off visible surfaces under the hood. That way, if a leak starts during the trip, you'll actually notice it right away, not 500 miles later. 8. Label your key with emergency contact info. Lose your keys at a rest stop? A small tag with a phone number could get them returned, especially if you're far from home. 9. Check your license plate, bolts, and frame. Loose or rusted plate screws can rattle or fall off on long drives. Tighten them up, especially if you're crossing state lines and don't want attention from troopers. 10. Tape an extra car key under the rear bumper, hidden. In case of lost keys, tape a spare flat key inside a magnetic box and hide it under the car. Just make sure it's well secured and weatherproofed. 11. Prep your glove box with a simple first aid kit. Minor cuts or headaches happen fast. Keep a small pouch in your glove box with Band-Aids, allergy meds, pain relievers, and antiseptic wipes. 12. Clean the cabin air intake at the base of windshield. That grill between your hood and windshield is where outside air comes in. Clear out leaves or debris so your AC runs efficiently and doesn't suck in gunk. 13. Wrap sunglasses in a microfiber cloth. Inside the visor, don't let your shades get scratched in the glove box. Wrap them in microfiber and tuck them above the sun visor for easy, damage-free access. 14. Pre-program. Important contacts into your GPS or phone. Save numbers like roadside assistance, hotel, or local emergency services into your phone. Do it now, not in panic mode on the side of the road. 15. Stretch out and adjust your driver's seat settings. You'll be sitting for hours. Take time to fine-tune your seat, lumbar support, and mirrors for comfort. Not just for driving, but for posture and energy on long hauls. And there you have it. 15 pre-road trip hacks that'll keep you rolling like a pro and prepared for anything the highway throws your way. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, check out this one on the screen. Drop a comment with your favorite travel ritual or must-have item. Like this video if it gave you ideas for your next trip. Subscribe for more road-tested car hacks and DIY driving tips. Safe travels. And we'll see you out there on the open road.